Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I will show you what I draw when I don't know what to draw. And one of them is something like this. Believe me, this is very easy and I believe that everyone can do it. If you think you can draw a lion, then you can draw something like this. Okay, so the very first thing I do is just to draw a frame here. Okay, once you have your frame done, then you need to draw the wave. The wave should be, actually you can draw anything, but for me, I will do it like this. So you just need to do this line similar to this for several times. You need to make some of them until you think that you have drawn enough. Okay, I think, see. So once you finish with this, then you just need to draw to fill uh, every space here with another line similar like this. Okay, so in my imagination, it looks like waves, the ocean, and the last thing I want to do is to draw a circle here as the moon. And you can use any color you want. Okay, that's it. It's finished. Or maybe you want to add some, you know, some dots here and there. Okay, this is very fast and simple, and I hope you can do it. If if you have any suggestion about the next thing I need to draw, please write in the comment section. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.